Alright, Phoebe is at 411,000 miles and she has a knock, and I want to figure out what it is. When I'm in the car, it's usually when I'm decelerating and coming up to a full stop. It's usually around then. From inside the car, it sounds like a Volkswagen diesel. When I pull out, I don't hear anything. It doesn't have anything to do with steering. I can't really replicate it when driving, not all the time. It's just once in a while, over the last 500 miles maybe, I've noticed it. So I've got it on jack stands. I'm going to have it in gear so you guys can hear it with a load, and you can compare when it's in gear, tires spinning, and when it's not. I'm also going to apply brakes so it has more load and slows down, so you can hear that. It's obviously not in gear. I'm going to have it in fifth gear, and you can hear that knocking. Now I'm going to apply the brakes ever so slightly. And now I'm going to let off, get out of gear. I'm going to put it back in gear. I'm going to put it in third instead of fifth. Fourth. So it does it in fourth and fifth. I'm going to try second. First. So hi guys. Okay, so my idea is it could be the clutch. The transmission was replaced sometime around 397,000. The clutch wasn't touched. No, it wasn't changed. It probably has close to 100,000, if not a little more on it, because I put about 90,000 miles on the car myself, and I don't know how many miles the clutch itself had on it when I got the car. So if you guys have any ideas or suggestions on what else I could look at, need more video of anything undercarriage, looking over the engine, anything like that, I can do that. Just let me know.